In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete licenses and certificates on LinkedIn. This is a quick and straightforward task, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident removing any outdated or duplicate entries from your profile. We're focusing on the desktop experience, and I'll explain what you'll see at each step so nothing feels confusing. Start on the LinkedIn homepage after you've signed in. From there, go to your profile by clicking your profile photo or the profile menu at the top. This takes you to the public-facing view of your profile where all your sections are displayed. Take a moment to scroll down until you find the section labeled Licenses and Certifications. It's usually located below your experience and education, but the exact position can vary depending on how your profile is organized. Once you're at the Licenses and Certification section, look for the small pencil icon near the section header. That icon opens the editing view for this section. Click it to see a list of all the certificates you've added. Each individual certificate also has its own pencil icon next to it. Click the pencil icon on the specific certificate you want to remove. This opens the details window for that entry. At the bottom of this window, you'll see the Delete option. Click Delete, and LinkedIn will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the certificate. Confirm your choice, and the certificate will be deleted from your profile right away. There's no extra waiting or processing time. Your profile updates immediately. A quick note on what this action means. Deleting a certificate removes the entry from your profile, but it doesn't contact or notify the issuing organization. If you realize later that you removed something you still want displayed, you can re-add it manually by returning to the Licenses and Certification section and adding a new entry. If you only need to fix a typo or update a date, consider editing the certificate instead of deleting it, so you don't have to re-enter everything. Before you confirm the deletion, double-check that you're removing the correct certificate, especially if you have multiple entries from the same provider. Taking a moment to verify the title and issuing organization helps avoid accidental changes. That's all there is to it. You open your profile, go to Licenses and Certifications, use the pencil icons to access the item you want to remove, and confirm the deletion. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.